Welcome back, dear friends. Inside this class we are going to discuss about how we can select a color for the text and background. So the topic is text and background color. Without wasting the time, open your code editor and go to your HTML and save as this file just by giving the name color selection .html is the name, and I'm just going to put O here to make this correct and save. Now I'm just going to remove this link from here, or we are not going to use this link here. I'm just writing here style 3 that does not exist with any file. So just remove this article tag from here and simply Ctrl S to save. Click here to see the live preview from here. Hi web designer, welcome to my website. We have a simple heading. So inside this class we are going to discuss how we can select the perfect color for the text and background. First we are going to discuss about the text, how we can select any color for the text. That can be a heading, that can be a paragraph text, that can be any other element text. So for selecting colors we have many websites. Just go to Google or any browser you are using, simply write color picker and you can just find this color picker from here. So from here, if you want just to select any green color, you can just select from here. This green may be darker, lighter, just something like this. So you can just copy the code from here. Very simply copy the code and go to your code editor. You can just select the heading 2 and the color property, and you can paste the code here. Now you can save and go to your browser and refresh. Now you can see we have a green lighter color here. So if you want just a darker color, you can just select from here. Just copy the code and paste inside your code editor, just here. Paste and save. Now you can see the preview. Now we have a darker green color. So just like this, you can just pick any color from here. For example, if you want a red or maybe just purple or pink color, just like this. So you can just copy the code, Ctrl C and paste it here instead of this, and save once again and refresh. Now we have a pink color here. So there are many websites like flaturcolorpicker.com. You can just select any color from here. Just a beautiful color you can just find here, like you can say soft red, like orange, like brown color, any color you want you can just find from here. Just to make sure you have visited the correct website. flaturcolorpicker.com is the website. You can just select randomly from here, red, pink, purple, blue, green, or any other color, but from here you can see all the colors. For example, I am just going to select this old brick color. Just copy the third line code. You can just see I have just selected this and copy. Go to your code editor and insert a hash sign and paste the code here. Now you can save and refresh. We have just a brown text color here. So the same way we have just another website. This is called www.02255.com. With this website, for example, I can just select a color from here, maybe this one. Just copy, come inside this website. Here is written enter a color. You can just paste the code here and enter color. Once again, Ctrl V and enter color. You can click here. Now it will show you the selected color is this one. From this website or just by using this website, you can select the darker color or the lighter one from here. This is the color that we have entered here, and this is the color that we have selected from here. It is here. You can just select the lighter one or the darker one from here. For example, I want to just select this one. You can just copy the code. It is already copied. Go to your code editor and you can just paste here. Just do not forget to insert a hash sign and save. Go to your browser and refresh. Now you can see we have another color. So it was about how we can apply text color on the text. Now we can go to now we can apply some background color for the body. So we can just select the body directly. You can just write here body and you can say any color, body background color. You can say maybe red or maybe other color. Save and refresh. Now you can see we have a red background, or you can just select any other color from here. Just from here I'm just going to select dark color. Just this color. Copy the code, Control C and paste instead of red. Save and preview. Now you can see we have just something like gray background color for the body. So this is very easy. We have just simply write here body. We have selected the body background, this color. So if you want any other color like green, just something like this, you can just select from here, Control C, and you can just paste instead of this. You can save and refresh. Now we have another background color for the body. So you can change just the text color. For example, I want just give a black text color for the heading. You can just copy and go to your code editor and you can paste the code here, save and refresh. So this is for the body. I want to just paste this here and remove the hash sign, save and refresh. Now we have a black text color and a green light background color. So I hope you understand how we can select a text color and how we can select a background color for our website. So you can just use these websites, colorpicker.com, you can see, and Flat UI Picker and 0 to 255, and there are many other websites that you can just use them to select the color that you want for your website. So I hope you are understand. In next class we will come back. We will discuss about how we can select or how we can use image as a background. So till next class, try to watch this video and try to select some color for the text and for the background of your website. So have a nice time and see you.